students, good morning. Standard 8, subject Honeydew, Unit 2 the tsunami. हमारे सुनामी पार्ट 2 और पार्ट 3 एक्सप्लेन करना बाकी है. इसके बाद के वीडियो में वो एक्सप्लेनेशन कर दूंगी. अभी जो वर्कबुक है वो फिलअप करा देती हूँ. Select the most appropriate options as answer and complete the following sentences. Put the letter A, B, C, D corresponding to the correct option in the box given against each question. A tsunami is caused by all of these. Tremors are shaking of earth. In the tsunami, all of three. Sanjeev could not shave blank from tsunami. His cook's wife. The Smith family from England had gone to Thailand. Celebrate Christmas. Before the tsunami on the coast of India and Sri Lanka, all of these three. Okay, उसके बाद read the following passages carefully and answer the questions given below them. पैसेज रीड करके क्वेश्चन आंसर लिखने में आपको लिखवा देती हूँ. What did Telly recall? इसमें से दिखाती हूँ. Telly recalled that she had seen this in class in a video of tsunami that had hit the Hawaiian Islands in 1946. What are tsunamis caused by? Tsunamis are caused by earthquakes, volcanoes, and landslides. How did Telly react sensing earthquake under the sea? Sensing earthquake under the sea, Telly started to scream at her family to get off the beach. She got more and more hysterical. Phone number. What made Telly's mother think seriously? Seeing Telly frightened, her mother thought something serious must be going on. Okay, उसके बाद के क्वेश्चन आंसर. What did the wild and domestic animals do antiseptic tsunami? Antiseptic tsunami, the wild and domestic animals fled to safety. What did the elephants and the dogs react? The elephants screamed and ran for higher group. The dogs refused to go outdoors. How did the zoo animals behave? The zoo animals rushed into their shelters and could not be entitled to come out. What acute faculty do animals have which is far better than that of humans being? Animals have more acute hearing which help them to hear or feel the earth's vibrations. This faculty of theirs is far better than that of humans being. ध्यान से लिखना बेटा, कोई मिस्टेक ना हो स्पेलिंग की. Okay. Say whether the following sentences are true or false. Put true for true and false in the given boxes. Kachal is part of the Andaman group of islands. It's the false. Nancowry is an island in the Nicobar group. It's the true. Ignatius's wife woke him up at 6 a.m. because he felt an earthquake. It's the true. John was a police guest house cook. Yes, it's the true. Meghna saved herself by holding on a towards doors. Wooden doors is the true. Alman's father could save the grandfather who was hit on his head. It's the false. Meghna was a student of Carmel Convent in Port Bell. False. False, true, 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 false, false. आगे आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन 2 to 3 सेंटेंसेस. फर्स्ट सेकंड में लिखवाऊंगी, थर्ड से स्टार्ट करते हैं. Who was Ignatius? Why did he put his television down on the ground from table? Ignatius was the manager of a cooperative society in Kachal. When his wife told him about an earthquake, he immediately took his television set off its table and put it down on the ground so that it would not fall and break. Phone number. How did Sanjeev lose his life? When Sanjeev heard cries for help for the wife of John, the guest house cook, he immediately jumped into the water to rescue her, but unfortunately they were both swept away by the powerful waves. फर्स्ट सेकंड में लिखूंगी. Five, 6. What is the views of some experts about the animals? Some experts believe that animals more acute hearing helps them to hear to feel the earth vibration. They can sense an approaching disaster long before humans realize what's going on. How did Telly Smith save her family? Telly Smith with her family was celebrating Christmas at a beach in Thailand. She was only 10 years old. She noted the sea water flowing towards the beach. She was reminded of the geography lesson and the video of Hawaiian Island in 1946. She started shouting to her parents to clear off the beach. Her parents heeded her. They all took shelter in the third floor of the hotel and were saved. वर्कबुक साथ में लेके ही बैठते हो ना, इसमें से देखते देखते ही लिखते जाने का। Now last, answer the following questions in the 4 to 5 sentences each. Give a brief account of how the animals saved themselves when the giant waves hit India and Sri Lanka. Before the great waves moved towards the coast in India and Sri Lanka, the wild and domestic animals foresaw the danger. Elephants run for higher ground. Dogs refused to go outdoors. Zoo animals rushed into their shelters. This was perhaps the animals possess a sixth sense, which is very sharp and work as warning during the disasters. So not many animals lost their lives in 2004 to tsunami, while thousands of people were washed away. Sit here.